welcome to this week's Elspec video, where we're going to go over how to export your charts from an investigation into pictures that you can put into Word documents, emails, Excel, whatever you want to do with them. One of the first things you need to do first is to make sure your export settings are set up correctly. To do that, we go over to our settings, client settings, investigation settings, and down here are our chart settings. For your chart to maintain its complete values, its axis values, the height needs to be at least 200. And so on the view export settings, which is all your charts, it needs to be 200 per chart. In this case, I've got 6 charts, so I've got 1200 pixels for my height. The first way is to export the charts one by one, which is good if you want just a particular chart for a particular reason. You go to Export, Copy Chart to Clipboard, Export Chart to Image, which allows you to save it, or Export Chart to Excel. And we'll go ahead and then open it. And so you have your chart here, and then you have some tabular data over here if you want to do anything with it, remove something, add something. This next option is to do your whole view, which is all your charts at the same time. And the way to do that, first way is Control-C, the standard Windows copy and paste, and then paste it, and you end up with all your charts looking like this. We'll go ahead and delete this now. And then finally, export view to Word, to Excel, or copy view to clipboard. And it will do the same thing as what Control-C did, and allow you to get your entire view wherever you would like it. I hope you've enjoyed this week's quick tip. Once again, be sure to follow us on YouTube and connect with us on LinkedIn. Thank you and have a great day.